Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be lowering the rear of this 2021 Silverado. We're going to put some lowering shackles on it and drop it down like 2 inches. Try to get it level. If you can see, she's kind of raised up in the back. So we're just going to throw those in there and just follow along with us. First thing we're going to do is take the nuts off of the two shackle bolts right there, and then slide the bolts out and get the shackle out, so the hanger out. we got the new shackle in. Um, we had to push the top part of it up to get above the frame, get the bolt in it, and squeeze it down to get the bottom bolt in. So everything's in now. It's just a matter of tightening it up, and this side will be finished. Alright guys, we're all done. We started out at 39 and 5/8. We're at 38 and almost a half right now. 38 and a quarter. So it came out big difference. It's almost inch and a half. I'm hoping it'll settle down a little bit more once we drive the truck a little bit. So this is what it looks like. It's just a little how-to video. Hopefully it helps somebody out, show you what to do. Appreciate you watching. please subscribe to the channel, like, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. Big shout out to Super Excited on YouTube for helping out today. Actually, I did this at his shop. Um, he's got a new channel coming out. Go ahead and check him out. I'll put a link in the description. So, thanks for watching, and join us for more content shortly.